the crown cause I'm the king of my own misery. I provide artillery and cry about my injuries. All this pain is blistering, but I won't let it get to me. I'ma play the victim while you brag about your victories. Running from my problems, I'm not getting very far. Chug a fifth and drive the whip, I crashed the fucking car. Woke up all hungover in some random person's yard. Think about just what I did and do it all some more. So just toss me in a cage and baby throw away the key. Shower me in dirt and make sure there's no room to breathe. Baby dig me under, think I'm better underneath. Drain me of my blood, just grab my neck and sink your teeth. I'm the walking, talking 7 deadly sins. Knocking at my door, let the devil in. I don't have no self-control, I'm off the hinge. And I'm screaming like I'm running out of oxygen. I'm just a menace to society, a demon with anxiety. Psychopathic tendencies of something deep inside of me. These people say they know me, they ain't never seen this side of me. I'm best friends with my enemies and not friends with sobriety. Drinking like a fish, I chug a fifth and I'm a goner. Woke up feeling tipsy with somebody else's daughter. Best friends in the kitchen, he's still rolling up them dollars. People tell me slow it down, I'm living too improper, but I have got a filthy soul, you know that I can't help it. I love being reckless when I shouldn't, guess I'm selfish. Guilty as a criminal, my actions overwhelming. All these fucking people think I'm helpless, what do you should? Toss me in a cage and baby throw away the key. Shower me in dirt, make sure there's no room to breathe. Baby dig me under, think I'm better underneath. Drag me out my blood, just grab my neck and sink your teeth. Toss me in a cage and baby throw away the key. Shower me in dirt, make sure there's no room to breathe. Baby dig me under, think I'm better underneath. Drag me out my blood, just grab my neck and sink your teeth.